So I'm back from CES 2026. Absolutely had amazing time this week. A lot of cool tech. I don't know if you've ever been to CES before. It's massive in size. So it's at multiple convention centers throughout Vegas. I was only there 2 days. My legs are tired. My knees are sore. I didn't get to see everything. Chances are, if you stay the entire week, you probably wouldn't get to see everything anyways. So, what was my takeaway? Wow, there's a lot of amazing tech. Robotic technology, in my opinion, I like seeing that advancements. It's kind of cool from a technological standpoint as they get more dexterity and movement capabilities. So that was amazing to see that improvement there. From a security standpoint, so we started thinking about AI. There's a lot of AI out there. We're plugging AI into everything. And we start plugging it into the larger equipment and technology, whether it's transportation or industrial nature, or even home consumer technology such as lawnmowers, vacuums, snow blowers, and the list goes on and on and on. These devices, as I mentioned earlier this week in a comment, these are just nodes on a larger AI system network. And it brings up an interesting security topic. What happens if a device is compromised? What if one of the devices that are purchased are used as a backdoor into these environments there? I think that is a big risk. We can possibly poison the AI data that impacts all of these devices. We need to take that into consideration. Some of the research I've been doing over the last couple of years with Carlotta Bidner on cellular base interaction and cellular base injection. Basically, the concept of getting man in the middle from these type of devices to the back-end systems, the back-end cloud services, the internet services, the back-end AI systems, so that we can start thinking about what this attack vector would look like. So I'll be speaking about that again at RSA this year. So the talk's going to be exploiting cellular pathways to compromise trust. So if you're interested in that topic, please see me at RSA. Another area of interest is the mobile technology. We see a massive growth in that, and I see that every year that I've been to CES. It's from various tablet-style devices, phones, wearables, all these technologies that could potentially attach to our corporate networks, and we need to think about it. How are we handling policies within our organization? Are our acceptable use policies being properly maintained to take into consideration these changing technologies? I think we need to seriously look at that. I also challenge organizations to start thinking about monitoring. All of these devices that potentially are attaching to your network are all often going to go through your Wi-Fi networks. So let's monitor your Wi-Fi networks. Let's try to identify, can we make it discerning between standard laptop technology that we expect to be attaching, or are we seeing other mobile technology that goes out corporate policy? So those are kind of a few of my takeaways from CES this year. And I hope you enjoyed this short video on the subject. Thank you.